All right. This one is called When You Give an Attitude to the Wrong Cop, a BCW breakdown by Body Cam Watch.
You're being placed under arrest, and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
Not happening.
She rolled up the window.
On July 10th, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for running a stop sign.
How's it going? I'm Officer Straub, the Orlando Police Department. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Why is she laughing? What the fuck? Okay, Joker.
Yep. And the registration and proof of insurance?
It's a rental.
It's a rental. How long have you had the rental for? Do you mind hanging up while we're... I'm sorry? I can't hear you.
I said I'm not hanging up my phone, and it's a rental, and I've had it for about a week.
She's definitely inebriated.
Okay. The reason I'm pulling you over is you ran the stop sign back there at Livingston and Broadway, and you're talking on your phone and had coffee in the other hand.
Definitely just kept rolling through that motherfucker.
So,
He didn't run a stop. I would never run a stop.
well, you did. And
So I can't be on mine.
you cannot be holding your phone, and you cannot be holding coffee in another hand. You need to be paying attention to driving.
I'm not driving. I'll just take the ticket and go.
You not in control, baby.
This is not.
Okay, I'm just letting you know.
Vibes aren't well, and I'm pretty sure it's not.
You're in a residential. It is when you're not paying attention. You're running a stop sign. You got a phone in one hand and a coffee in the other, and you're in a residential neighborhood.
I don't want to.
So okay, I guess we just don't care about safety. Stay there, please.
The officer would return to his car to write up the ticket.
Before two suspensions and a speeding tag order without notice.
Oh, yeah, she going to jail. Is this motherfucker riding a bike? Who he supposed to protect and serve on the bike?
Delta 25 out from myself.
He's a maniac. They gotta be in Florida, bro, because they wearing shorts and shit.
I think I'm in a 10-15er. What? Willis?
10-15er. I did not say Florida, Orlando. I can always tell by those shorts.
She's gonna be 10-15. They're doing a criminal site?
She is not gonna like that shit.
That? A criminal site? No, she's gonna go. She's been suspended twice. She blows a stop sign back here, phone in one hand, coffee in the other. I pull over, still yakking on the phone, still has coffee in her hand, and then starts giving me a bunch of attitude in her.
Oh yeah, you got big balls. You not gonna at least put all of that stuff down and put both the hands on the steering wheel? Oh yeah, you going to jail.
Well, for TK, but yeah. So like she clearly just
Anderson and I-4 on ramp.
doesn't care.
I can't wait for her to try to apologize. Y'all know I'm gonna sing my song, right? She look like she about to take off.
All right.
And probably blast some ski by Sexy Red.
We're gonna have her come step out, sign those.
Hello. He's gonna have you step out so you can sign for these.
I'm not.
You're not getting out?
She knows stuff. She knows she got some files on her stuff.
No, bring it. He can bring it right here. Officer Sayer.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem?
I don't know what the problem is, but this officer is asking you to step out.
No, I know better than to get out of my car.
And according to Florida State statute, if we ask you to get out of the vehicle, unfortunately, you have to get out.
It's unlawful to fail or refuse to comply with any lawful order in or direction of any law enforcement officer. So they about to put her ass with another charge, pretty much.
I can sign right here. I'm not gonna get out.
You need to step out of the vehicle.
I'm not gonna get out. So
Well,
we can move to the next.
Here's the deal. You're being
For
placed under
a
arrest,
ticket.
and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
Girl, you drive with a suspended license.
Not
2 times.
You need to step out of the vehicle, or I'm gonna take you out by busting this window.
Did she just go like that? Oh yeah, yeah. Take her out to jail.
Don't pop the other one.
You can step out, or we're gonna take you out. You are under arrest for driving with a suspended license.
2 times.
Step out of the
My
vehicle.
pinky retarded.
This is not gonna end well for you. You need to step out of the vehicle.
Cause your car gonna get towed and you gonna have to pay for the broke ass windows. It's like a lose-lose situation right now.
The door unlocked? No.
Is she about to take
Step out
off?
of the vehicle, or I'm gonna bust this window. Just open the door, man. Just open the door, man. Do you have a punch?
You want me to pop it?
Open the vehicle now.
Yeah, he got a punch.
You have no more chances. Open the vehicle and step out.
So you can't hear you, so just open the door.
If she let that motherfucking window down, I'ma lose it.
Open the vehicle
Oh, you dumb bitch. Really? Really?
and step out.
What is your name?
Or I am going to pull you out of this vehicle. Do you
I would have been like, shut your ass up and stay on the phone before you get arrested too.
understand me?
Are making me feel very threatened.
You are dictating how this goes. You are under arrest. You need to step out of the vehicle
Man, just break the damn window, bro. I'm tired of her mouth already.
and put your hands behind your back.
You started this.
Yes, I pulled you over.
Cause your stupid ass driving like this through a stop, like what you thought was gonna happen.
You to step out of the vehicle. Okay, step out of the vehicle right now.
Yeah, but this one on the 24 Western.
I'm not moving.
Step out. Come on.
I can't have no interaction with him. I can have
Step
one
out
with
of the
you.
vehicle.
I can have
You're
one
under
with you.
arrest.
Cause he black.
I can't have one with you.
You're now under arrest. Step out of the vehicle.
Or you.
Get out of the vehicle,
No.
man.
You have to get out of the car, man.
Yeah, but not like this.
Okay, just
Get
get out.
But not like this. But not like this.
Ma'am,
I hate when people try to dictate how they go to jail. You going to jail.
get out of the car.
No.
You have to.
Why?
You're under arrest.
For?
Drive with a suspended license.
You gonna hit me? Who's
Are
in the
you
car?
gonna hit me?
Get out of the car.
Get out
No.
of the car. Go on.
No.
We're not doing this.
No. No.
All right, you're about to get sprayed.
I would have been pushed end on that phone.
No. I don't.
Okay, so get.
I also don't want y'all
You have to get out of the car.
harassing
Let
me.
go. You are under arrest.
For what?
Step
Drive with
out
a
of the
suspended
vehicle now.
license. Come on.
Step
I'm
out
trying to
of the
do
vehicle
I'm trying
now.
to do this calmly. You're being very difficult.
I'm pretty sure every man she's ever dated has said this.
Step out of the vehicle now. Step out
It
of the
don't
vehicle
take
now.
three of y'all.
Okay.
It's
It do, cause your ass not getting out.
three of them.
Are you gonna step out?
Yeah, but
Stop
you can
resisting.
relax.
Get out.
I can get out on my
Stop
own.
resisting. Get
I
out.
can get out on
She thinks she running something, huh?
my own.
Well, you're not. So get out
Well,
now.
Just back up and give me a second.
Let's go
I
now.
want to make it up.
Get out of the car.
I'll get out on my own.
You have to
I
get out.
can get out.
Out now. Put your hands behind your back.
Too fine to be acting like that, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
this
You're
difficult.
under
He's
arrest.
making it difficult.
Put your hands behind your back.
They're arresting me, guys.
Okay, I can't hear her.
And it's three of them.
I would have been like, girl, your stupid ass not listening. That's why I heard the whole thing. See, I'm not afraid you don't need to take around. And if you want to call her, because I don't call her, I tell the truth. Like, get your dumb ass out. It could have been, this could have been over.
Let's go.
Can you go?
Come on.
Okay. We'll run up to this.
Does this make y'all feel good?
No,
No, it doesn't.
this is not what I wanted to be doing today.
I'd rather be at the crib playing a little Call of Duty, eating some chips and a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. If I was a cop, I wouldn't be wanting to do this shit.
You have like a specific problem
No,
with me?
I have a problem that you're in a stop sign, you're driving with a not valid license, and you're holding coffee and a phone in your hand while you're driving.
Who was
That's what I have
holding
a
the steering
problem.
wheel? That's a flat out
Nobody
lie.
was. I watched you.
Casper the Friendly Ghost was holding that motherfucker. That's why.
Sit down. Sit down.
Sit your ass down, baby.
Just sit
Scoot
right
back.
here.
No, get in the car. We're not playing this game. Get in the car. It's done. You're under arrest. Sit in the vehicle, please. Get in the vehicle. Sit down. Thank you.
It's over, baby. All of that. All of that. Damn.
Hello.
Childish. Childish.
She was charged with resisting without violence and driving with a suspended license. She was also issued a $164 ticket for running the stop sign.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you at the next video. Haha. We out, beach.